Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Cloud AI Services. Leveraging AWS, GCP, Azure for AI. Imagine you want your computer program, your app, to be smart, to understand what's in a picture, to talk like a human, or to translate languages. That's AI. But traditionally, building AI from scratch is like building a car engine by yourself. Cloud AI services are like using a ready-made, high-performance engine that's already built, tested, and waiting for you on the internet. Instead of spending years becoming an AI mechanic, you just learn how to drive it, giving your apps instant superpowers. In the past, to use AI, you'd need to be an expert in complex math, gather massive amounts of data, and train your AI model on powerful, expensive computers. Think of it like deciding to build your own house from the ground up. You need land, architects, builders, materials, and a lot of time and money. Cloud AI is like renting a fully furnished, luxurious apartment. The cloud providers, AWS, GCP, Azure, have already done all the heavy lifting, giving you instant access to sophisticated AI without the massive upfront investment or specialized knowledge. You simply connect your app to their services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a massive collection of internet services, and their AI section is packed with ready-to-use tools. Think of it as Amazon giving your app senses and smarts. Recognition. This gives your app eyes. Send it an image or video, and it can identify objects, people, text, and even detect emotions. Poly. Gives your app a voice. Send it text, and it returns natural-sounding speech in various languages and voices. Translate. Asterisk helps your app speak many languages by translating text between them. As a developer, you don't need to know how recognition finds a face. You just send it an image and get back a simple answer. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is Google's answer to AWS, and they bring their AI prowess directly to you. They offer a suite of services designed to give your apps Google-level intelligence. Vision AI, asterisk similar to recognition. This service helps your app see and understand content and images. From identifying objects and brands to detecting inappropriate content. Natural Language API. This helps your app read and understand human text. Send it a sentence, and it can tell you the sentiment. Is it positive or negative? Identify key entities, people, places, things, or categorize the text. Translation API, asterisk just like AWS Translate. This allows your app to translate text between different languages. With GCP, you leverage the same AI technology that powers many Google products. Microsoft Azure is the third major player, and they offer an extensive set of cognitive services that are ready for your applications. These services are like giving your app a brain from Microsoft. Azure Vision, asterisk like AWS Recognition and GCP Vision AI. This service helps your app see and interpret images, performing tasks like object detection, facial recognition, and optical character recognition, reading text and images. Azure Speech. This gives your app both a voice, text-to-speech, and ears, speech-to-text, allowing it to communicate naturally with users. Azure Language. This helps your app understand written text, performing tasks such as sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, and language detection. All these services are designed to be easily integrated into your code. As a developer, you don't need to dive into the deep AI code. You interact with these cloud AI services using something called an asterisk API, Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a restaurant menu. It tells you what dishes, AI functions, are available and what ingredients, data like an image or text, you need to provide. You make a request, send data to the cloud service, and it quickly sends back a response. The AI result. Many cloud providers also offer *SDKs, software development kits, which are like pre-written ordering apps that make it even easier to send your requests and handle the responses in your preferred programming language. It's truly as simple as calling a function in your code. Cloud AI services level the playing field and empower you tremendously. No ML expertise needed. You don't need a PhD in AI, just basic coding skills, speed and efficiency. Add powerful AI features to your apps in hours or days, not months or years. Cost effective. Pay-as-you-go models mean you only pay for what you use, avoiding expensive hardware and maintenance. Scalability. These services automatically scale to handle millions of users, so you don't worry about your app crashing under heavy load. Focus on your idea. You can concentrate on building amazing user experiences and unique app ideas, leaving the complex AI infrastructure to the cloud providers. So, which cloud provider should you choose? AWS, GCP, and Azure all offer incredible AI services, often with similar capabilities. Your choice might depend on your company's existing cloud usage, specific features, or pricing. For beginners, they all offer generous free tiers to get started. Your next steps. 1. Pick a simple project. Maybe an app that identifies objects in photos or translates text. 2. Sign up for a free account. Choose AWS, GCP, or Azure. 3. Explore their quick start guides. They often have hello world examples that get you running in minutes. 4. Start coding. The best way to learn is by doing. The world of AI is now open to every developer, thanks to the cloud. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.